Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a great song here from a band I love, City and Color. This song is called The Love Still Held Me Near. So this band here sounds and feels very genuine in one way. I don't know why, but anyway, yeah, genuine and original as well. So take a look at City and Color, and especially this song here, The Love Still Held Me Near. So let's dive into this one. We don't need any capo for here, so this is what we're gonna go with, clean. And we're gonna look at the chords first. So let's start with the two bass chords for this song. Big part of it goes with F major 7 and D. All right, so the F major 7, we have a different grip for that one. So this, all right, sounds nice. So that is 8 here on E string, 8 on the A, 7 on D, open G, then 6 on the B string, and then open E. All right, so that's the F major 7, and then we're going to the D, and you take the exact same grip here and just move it away from you and land at this position here. So now you have your ring finger and your little pinky here on the 5th fret E, 5th fret A. Then 4th on D, open G, 3rd on B now, and open E. That's your D chord here. All right, so we're gonna work a lot with these motions here, all right? And then we're gonna continue here with the A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the C, G chord, and remember we had the D here and the F major here. The C, G is the same grip there, but you have it in this position now. So that gives us 3rd on the E string, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So that's the C, G chord, and yeah, next one is the F major. Now, remember, we said this was the F major. We also have it up here, and this is very convenient because this version of the F major will be played later in the course, where we're gonna stick at this area here, so you don't have to go up high up here. We stay at this F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this GB chord, that is 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And there we have all the chords needed for this song. Beautiful song. So let's take a look at the different parts here. We have the verse play. It's very easy. So it starts with the F major 7. And for this one, we need to learn the strumming pattern that will be played through the entire song, the same one. So one round goes like this. All right, so it's actually 2 rounds of the same pattern, but just that technique stuff that differs there. So it's down, down, up, down, up. That's the first half, and the second half is the same actually, but the first down here will be played more on the mid top strings. So the first down here, down, you kick that on the bass strings, and then down, up in the middle. And then the second down here, same pattern, you kick that a little bit more in the mid section here. And continue with down, up. So it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So repeatedly 2 rounds in the same pattern, so to speak. The only difference there is the first down here. The first one is on the bass strings, so like this, and then second down is more in the mid area there. All right, so one string round again is like this. All right, so We are ready for this song and the different parts. The verse play is just on a 2-chord part here. It will be to alternate the F major with the D. So you're gonna play 4 rounds of F major. And 4 rounds of D. And then back. So these 2 chords, you will play that for 4 rounds. So it's a big part of the song is the verse play. You're gonna play in the same way for both these verses in the song. All right, now over to the chorus parts. Now you will continue with the same strumming pattern, just different chords. So you're gonna play A minor 1, G1, then the C G1, and the F major 1. All right, this easier version or closer version to the other chords. That is 1 chord progression here in the chorus. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, but it continues. This is just the first part of the chorus. Then you're gonna play, after the 2 rounds of this, A minor, G, C, G, and F major, you're gonna play A minor 1, then the GB1, then the CG1, and the D1 for only these round here. And then you continue with the ending here, A minor 1, then the G1, then the CG1, and the F major 1. All right, so that is the ending of the chorus. Then you have I can just mention you have the same playing there for both choruses, so nothing changes there. We have 2 choruses in this part, in this song, and then we have also 2 post choruses. The first one is that you're gonna play after this chorus here. You're gonna go up and play F major 7. Right, for 4 rounds, and then the D for 4 rounds. And you're playing that combo for 2 rounds in total. So it will be a kind of a half verse there. That's the post chorus number 1. But the second post chorus is the opposite here. Okay, so you're gonna start with the D. After the second chorus, you go to the post chorus 2 and start with the D for 4 rounds, and then you go up to the F major for 4 rounds, and you do that as well for 2 chord progression rounds. So that's the only difference. You just switch it up in the second, and that's the difference there in the post chorus part. And then after the second post chorus comes an outro part, the last thing that happens in this song, and that's just another playing of the chorus. So just another kind of 3rd chorus / outro part, and that pretty much wraps it up for Sitting Colors, The Love Still Held Me Near. So look this band up. It's a great band here and deserves more attention. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial, subscribe if you haven't yet. I love your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.